Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. 7 tips to design beautiful emails for your e-commerce brand, with code examples. Email marketing remains a powerhouse for e-commerce. However, generic, poorly designed emails get instantly deleted. To capture attention, drive conversions, and foster brand loyalty, your emails need to be visually appealing, informative, and strategically crafted. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through 7 crucial tips to design stunning e-commerce emails, complete with code examples and explanations. Remember these examples primarily use HTML and inline CSS. While you can use style tags or external CSS files in email templates, inline CSS has the best compatibility across various email clients, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. This is because some clients strip out style tags or ignore link style sheets for security and compatibility reasons. 1. Define a clear visual hierarchy and structure ****. The visual hierarchy dictates how your recipient's eyes move across your email. A well-defined structure makes content easily digestible and emphasizes key messages. Heading first. Start with a prominent heading that clearly communicates the email's purpose, example exclusive sale, welcome to your brand, order confirmation. Supporting imagery. Use compelling, high-quality images related to your products or promotions. Ensure images are properly optimized for web viewing to minimize loading times. Concise body text. Keep your text concise and to the point. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and bold text to highlight important information. Clear call to action. CTA. Design a visually distinct CTA button that prompts users to take the desired action, example shop now, learn more, claim your discount. Footer information. Include essential footer information like your company address, unsubscribe link, and social media icons. Code example Explanation Table-based layout. The code uses table elements for layout. This is a necessity for email design due to limited CSS support across different email clients. Inline CSS. All styling is applied directly within the HTML elements using the style attribute, example TD style equals color, 153643. Widths defined. Widths are explicitly set for tables and columns to ensure consistent rendering across various screen sizes. Logo. Includes a placeholder logo. Replace with your actual logo URL. Hero area. Includes a welcome message and supporting text. Featured products. Includes 2 columns showing product images and CTAs. Footer. Provides copyright information, an unsubscribe link, and social media links. 2. Embrace mobile-first design, responsiveness. A significant percentage of emails are opened on mobile devices. Designing for mobile-first ensures that your emails look great on any screen size. Single column layout. Prefer a single column layout for easy scrolling and readability on smaller screens. Responsive images. Make images scale down to fit smaller screens without losing quality. Use max width, 100%, height, auto, for images. Larger font sizes. Use larger font sizes, example 16px for body text, to improve readability on mobile devices. Touch-friendly CTAs. Ensure CTA buttons are large enough and have enough spacing to be easily tapped on touch screens. Media queries. Limited use. You can use media queries within style tags, but be cautious. Test extensively because some email clients don't support them fully. Code example, responsive images and mobile optimized text. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk max width, 100%, height, auto, asterisk the CSS rule on the image ensures that it scales down to fit the available width on smaller screens while maintaining its aspect ratio. Asterisk larger font size asterisk the body text uses font size, 16px for better readability on mobile devices. Asterisk larger CTA button asterisk the CTA button has increased padding, 15px 25px, and a larger font size to make it more touch-friendly. Media query example, use with caution. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk style tag with media query asterisk includes a style tag with a media query that targets screens with a maximum width of 600px. Asterisk CSS classes asterisk defines CSS classes, example. Responsive table, responsive image, responsive column, responsive button, that will be applied when the media query is active, on smaller screens. Asterisk, important asterisk the important keyword is used to ensure that the styles within the media query override the inline styles when the media query applies. Asterisk column stacking asterisk in the column section, the responsive column class changes the display to block and sets the width to 100%, causing the columns to stack vertically on smaller screens. 3. Use high-quality images and GIFs, optimize them. Visuals are crucial for capturing attention. Use professionally shot product images or engaging GIFs. However, large image files can significantly slow down loading times and frustrate recipients. Asterisk optimized image size asterisk reduce image file sizes using tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim without sacrificing quality. Aim for images under 100 KB if possible. Asterisk correct image format asterisk use JPEG for photographs and PNG for graphics with transparency. GIFs are great for short animations. Asterisk alt text asterisk always include descriptive alt text for images. This is essential for accessibility and displays when images are blocked. Asterisk test image rendering asterisk send test emails to various email clients, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, to ensure images render correctly. Code example asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk src attribute asterisk replace path /to /your optimized product image.jpg and path /to /your animated sale gif with the actual URLs of your optimized images. Asterisk alt attribute asterisk the alt attribute provides alternative text if the image cannot be displayed. Make it descriptive and relevant. Asterisk width attribute asterisk the width attribute sets the initial width of the image. Asterisk style attribute asterisk display, block, border, 0, max width, 100%, height, auto, ensures proper display, removes borders, and enables responsiveness. 4. Choose a consistent and brand-aligned color palette and typography asterisk asterisk. Maintaining brand consistency across all your communications, including emails, is vital for recognition and trust. Asterisk color palette asterisk use your brand's primary and secondary colors consistently. Limit the number of colors to 3 to 4 for a clean and professional look. Asterisk typography asterisk choose web-safe fonts that are easy to read on various devices and email clients, example Arial, Helvetica, Times New Roman, Georgia. Consider using Google Fonts, but remember to include a fallback font in case the Google font isn't loaded. Asterisk contrast asterisk ensure sufficient contrast between text and background colors for readability. Code example asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk color equals F8 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 asterisk sets a light gray background color. Asterisk font family, Arial, Helvetica, sans serif, asterisk specifies the font family, with Arial as the primary font and Helvetica and sans serif as fallbacks. Asterisk color, 333333, asterisk sets the text color to a dark gray. Asterisk color, E70 of 5D, asterisk uses a brand color, E70 of 5D, a pinkish red, for the heading and the CTA button. Asterisk consistent use asterisk the code snippet consistently uses the same brand colors and font family. 5. Craft a compelling subject line and pre-header text asterisk asterisk. The subject line and pre-header text are the first things recipients see. They determine whether or not your email gets opened. Asterisk subject line asterisk keep it concise, under 50 characters, intriguing, and relevant to the email's content. Use personalization, example recipient's name, where appropriate. Avoid spam trigger words, example free, discount, urgent. Asterisk pre-header text, aka preview text. This is the short snippet of text that appears after the subject line in the inbox. Use it to expand on the subject line and further entice recipients to open the email. Asterisk A/B testing asterisk experiment with different subject lines and pre-header text to see what performs best. Code example, setting pre-header text. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk hidden div asterisk the code adds a hidden div element at the very beginning of the body. This div contains the pre-header text. Asterisk CSS to hide asterisk the CSS styles display, none, important, visibility, hidden, opacity, 0, color, FFFFFF, height, 0, width, 0, overflow, hidden, font size, 1px, line height, 1px, ensure that the div is completely hidden from view within the email itself. However, email clients will still extract its content and display it as the pre-header text. Asterisk pre-header content asterisk the text inside the hidden div, get 20% off your first order. Shop the latest styles now. Will appear as the pre-header text in the recipient's inbox. Best practices for subject lines asterisk. Asterisk personalize asterisk name, your exclusive offer inside. Asterisk create urgency asterisk sale ends tonight. Don't miss out. Asterisk ask a question asterisk ready to upgrade your product category. Asterisk offer value asterisk free shipping on orders over $50. Asterisk announce something new asterisk new arrivals, summer collection is here. 6. Optimize for different email clients and devices asterisk asterisk. Email clients interpret HTML and CSS differently. What looks great in one client might be broken in another. Thorough testing is essential. Asterisk email testing tools asterisk use email testing tools like Litmus or Email on Acid to preview your email across various email clients and devices. Asterisk keep it simple asterisk avoid complex CSS and JavaScript. Stick to basic HTML tables and inline CSS for maximum compatibility. Asterisk fallback options asterisk provide fallback options for elements that might not render correctly, example using a solid background color as a fallback for a background image. Asterisk plain text version asterisk always include a plain text version of your email for recipients who have images disabled or use text-based email clients. Most email marketing platforms will generate this automatically. Code example, fallback background color. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk color equals asterisk sets a light gray background color as a fallback. If the background image cannot be loaded, the color will be displayed instead. Asterisk background equals path / to / background image.jpg asterisk sets the background image using the older HTML background attribute for maximum compatibility. Asterisk style equals background image, URL, path / to / background image.jpg, background repeat, no repeat, background size, cover, background position, center, asterisk applies the background image using CSS, including properties for no repeat, cover, to scale the image to cover the entire area, and center, to position the image in the center. 7. Personalization and segmentation ***. Generic emails are easily ignored. Personalize your emails based on recipient data and segment your audience to send targeted messages. Personalization use the recipient's name, location, purchase history, or other relevant data to personalize the email content. Most email marketing platforms provide tools for personalization. Segmentation divide your audience into segments based on demographics, purchase behavior, interests, or other criteria. Send targeted emails to each segment with content that is relevant to their specific needs and preferences. Dynamic content use dynamic content to display different content blocks based on recipient data. Example, personalized greeting, conceptual. Explanation recipient name this is a placeholder that would be dynamically replaced with the actual recipient's name using your email marketing platform's personalization features. Key takeaways prioritize mobile always design with mobile devices in mind. Keep it simple stick to basic HTML and inline CSS for compatibility. Optimize images reduce image file sizes to improve loading times. Test thoroughly test your emails across various email clients and devices. Personalize and segment send relevant and targeted messages to your audience. Consistency is key maintain brand consistency across all your emails. Accessibility make your emails accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities, example using alt text for images. By following these tips and consistently testing and refining your email designs, you can create beautiful and effective emails that drive engagement, conversions, and long-term customer loyalty for your e-commerce brand. Good luck!